Here, Champ Barbecuers, today we're doing up a black bean corn salad. Oh, hell yeah. It's like a salsa. It is awesome. It's the middle of winter, so we're using canned goods here. Can of whole corn, can of black beans, can of, actually 2 smaller cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies. One green pepper diced up. One red onion diced up. One bunch of cilantro chopped up real fine. Toss that in there. And an avocado as well.
Give me a hell yeah!
A couple dashes of Uncle Steve's competition cow powder. And 1 lime. Fresh lime, sliced in half. Drizzle that in there. Check this out. Let's give this black bean corn salsa salad a taste test. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Man, it feels so fresh. It's so light. It's really good. It's an addition to other things I got cooking tonight. Oh, hell yeah. And man, pretty damn good. It's light. It's refreshing. It's good. It's awesome. It's going to pair very well with the stuffed chicken I got coming up and some poppers. Oh, hell yeah. Hit the thumbs up. Cheers.
Give me a hell yeah!